vehicle? Check out the 2019 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, emergency braking preparation, remote engine start, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, power brakes, rear stabilizer bar, air suspension. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.